Nucypher, Nu, is an organization that spotlights on giving information security and protection to their clients. The organization has proactively seen outcome in its short presence and looks ready to go on with its development later on. The venture empowers clients to have full command over their information while imparting it to others in a protected and confidential manner. Nucypher can likewise be utilized to construct decentralized applications that are safer and private than those based on the Ethereum public blockchain. Nucypher's group continues to deliver new updates and acquainting creative thoughts with the venture, so it's no big surprise numerous merchants are anxious to know now what its future value and its potential most extreme cost will be. How about we attempt to see if we will see the Nucypher value drop or ascend soon in our Nucypher conjecture. What is the Nucypher cryptographic money? Nucypher is a decentralized key administration framework that gives information security and protection. The organization was established in 2017 by McLean Wilkerson, Michael Egrov, and Alexander Bezopasny. Nucypher has brought $13 million up in subsidizing from financial backers, like Fenbush Capital, Polychain Capital, and Metastable Capital. The Nucypher network comprises of three sections: O-Umbrel, a key administration framework that permits clients to encode and decode information with the assistance of intermediary re-encryption. O-Nodes, servers that run the Nucypher programming and create keys for the Umbrel framework. O-Proxy re-encryption keys, keys that are utilized to encode and decode information in the Umbrel framework. Nucypher's principal use case is information security. The organization gives a way to associations to share information without uncovering the basic information. Nucypher likewise offers information security as the keys used to scramble and unscramble information are put away on the Nucypher organization, i.e., out of the association. It's difficult to make long-haul cost expectations for digital currencies that haven't broken into the standard yet. While certain ventures, as Nucypher, have a ton going in support of themselves, numerous things can likewise turn out badly. Hence, we can truly make surmises about Nu's most extreme and normal costs for the time being. By and large, Nucypher has obvious objectives and a guide to accomplish them. Dissimilar to numerous other correspondingly imaginative crypto projects, it additionally has support both from its local area and establishments like financial speculators. These are two out of two significant qualities any digital currency organization requirements to succeed, so we'd say Nucypher is by all accounts doing great. Nucypher Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nucypher costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nucypher will be 18 cents. The most extreme level that the new cost can reach is 21 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 19 cents. New value gauge for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Nucypher costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July, 17 cents. The most reduced and top new rates may be 17 cents and 19 cents. October 2022, Nucypher value gauge. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the new cost will be around 18 cents. In August, the Nucypher cost might drop to at least 17 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 20 cents in August 2022. New value estimate for November 2022. Having examined Nucypher costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the new rate could arrive at a limit of 20 cents in September 2022. It may be that as it may drop to 17 cents. For September, the anticipated normal of Nucypher is almost 18 cents. December 2022, Nucypher value figure. Around mid-2022, the Nucypher cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 19 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2022, the new cost could vary somewhere in the range of 18 cents and 21 cents. Nucypher value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nucypher in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Nucypher will be around 27 cents. The greatest expected new cost might be around 32 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 27 cents in 2023. Nucypher Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nucypher, in 2024, Nu is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 38 cents and 46 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 39 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Nucypher and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Nu cost could drop to 55 cents, while its most extreme can reach 66 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 56 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Nucypher by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Nu costs are normal in 2026, 98 cents and 81 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 83 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Nucypher. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Nu cost will be around $1.19. It could drop to at least $1.16, yet it actually could reach $1.44 all through 2027. Nucypher Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan figures at the cost of Nucypher. It is assessed that Nu will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.70 during the year. Nucypher Value Forecast 2029. Digital currency examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of Nucypher's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the most extreme Nu cost of $2.92. In any case, its rate could drop to around $2.46. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.54. Nucypher Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Nucypher cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Nu cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $3.49, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $4.19. By and large, you can anticipate that the Nu cost should be around $3.62 in 2030. Nu